So we're looking at these cool box sets I just got in the mail today from Makeflix. This is the Axe Grinder collection from Sterling Entertainment. It's got a cool cardboard box with some great artwork on there. So, admittedly, I have not seen these movies. They just had a pretty good deal, holiday deal on Makeflix.com. And there's some new versions of these released. So they're sort of made to order. They don't make a whole bunch of them. They do like small batches, I believe. This one's actually has an autograph up there. David Sterling of Sterling Entertainment. This one's just a 2 Blu-ray set of Axe Grinder. The trailer, slideshow, director commentary, Camp Blood box set YouTube review. Cool. First time on Blu-ray. And then Axe Grinder 2. Same thing, trailer, slideshow, Camp Blood box set YouTube review. It's pretty dope. I will, of course, watch these and probably rip them to put on Plex so I can watch them anywhere I want to. But that'd make a great little display thing in my place once I get my new place. And then this is the one I'm really excited about, is the Camp Blood collection, which I looked this up on Makeflix a couple weeks ago, maybe a month ago, and they were sold out. But like I said, they do small batches, so another batch is ready to go. And so I jumped on it and got it. So you got some very voluptuous artwork there. A great front. Camp Blood collection, Sterling Entertainment. So check out sterlingmoviefactory.com as well as makeflix.com. These movies I'm a little more familiar with. I think I've seen most of these. Camp Blood 2. I mean, I watched way back in the day. Again, signed up there by David Sterling. Camp Blood 2 I watched way back in the day, of course. And then a lot of these I watched on Amazon Prime Video when they were available. Again, much like Axe Grinder collection, I will probably rip all of the Blu-rays as MKV files and put them on my Plex account. That way I can stream them anywhere I please. So look at these somewhat linearly. Got the original Camp Blood 3D Grindhouse double feature. Full-length features on one 3D Blu-ray. Nice. So that was Camp Blood, so that's 1 and 2, I believe. Full-length features, yeah. Camp Blood, cool. And then Camp Blood 3, First Slaughter. Some great artwork there. Stay booze. Camp Blood 4, The King Clown of Death is back. Camp Blood 5, Clowns Never Die. Camp Blood 666, The King of the Clowns. Hey. Tina Krause, why do I know that name? George Stover, we know from all the Don Dollars movies, like Blood Massacre and all those. Camp Blood 7, Hot Girls Camping, Watch Out. Tina Krause, where's that name from? Camp Blood 8, Revelations. Nice. Children of Camp Blood, Beware. Camp Blood Kills. I like how it's a new thing to go away from numbering the films. Camp Blood Kills, blah, blah, blah. They just come up with taglines or longer names that include the original title. Ghost of Camp Blood. Very nice. So essentially this is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So that's 11 film franchise right there. Pretty awesome. Again, it's a Camp Blood collection from Make Flicks, along with Sterling Entertainment, and the Axe Grinder collection. Again, makeflix.com and the Axe Grinder and Sterling Entertainment. So you guys own these? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace.